In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to report a user on Discord. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is go on to Discord and find your person that you want to report. Then from here, when you're clicked on the person, you need to go up here to the three dots upper right hand corner that says more. Then from here, you need to click block or report user profile, and you need to click report. Then from here, this person or this page should be popping up. As you can see here, this user will not be notified that you reported them. Then from here, you need to click next, and then you can select what you are reporting. You can either report their photo, their name, or some of their text descriptions. Then from here, you can just click next. And then from here, you can select the option that describes the problem, which is either annoying, spam, makes me feel unsafe, or this is inappropriate, or some illegal activities. And then you just need to click the one that suits this person. And then from here, you just need to click report or submit report. And as you can see, report submitted. Now you can either block it or done. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you!